नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी का हमारे YouTube चैनल में। तो आज फिर से हाजिर हैं एक और बहुत ही अच्छे प्रोडक्ट्स के साथ। वी आर विजिटिंग दिस टाइम द कंपनी आर्कटेक। तो सीधा मिलते हैं इनके रिप्रेजेंटेटिव से। नमस्कार।
नमस्कार।
तो सर, एक आप छोटा सा इंट्रो अपना और अपनी कंपनी का, और क्या आप प्रोडक्ट्स आज हमें दिखाने वाले हैं?
Hi, I am Ganesh, Head of Technical Sales, Arctech India. So today we came here in REI to show our product and company. In this particular booth, we have installed the Skyline 2 demo tracker. We will slowly show you what kind of key features we have in the Skyline. This is the product of Skyline 2. Here you can see we have multi-fix point tracker.
Okay.
Multi-fix point means one motor we have, along with the motor we have multi-slewing drives as well. So in our case, generally if we talk about 1V112, that means 4 string of 28 module, we are going to have around 12 number of posts. In 12 number of posts, we are going to have 11 number of posts. On 11 number of posts, one motor and 2 slew drive we are going to have. On top of these slew drive and motor, we are also going to have the bearings. Bearings, wherever slew drives or motor will not come, on those areas we will come with the bearings. If you see here we are going to have this DC motor. This DC motor is going to take the power supply from the controller. Controller is going to take power supply from the module. So in one string, let's assume if you have the 28 module per string, so 28 module power is directly going to come to the controller through the Y connector. Then controller is going to give power supply to the motor, and motor will help to rotate the tracker from morning to evening according to the sun angle requirement.
Okay. So let's talk about the strength and durability of this product. So sir, please explain something about it.
Yeah, so in this product we are offering around 25-year product life. 25-year product life is very standard. All module suppliers are also offering the same, and all the solar components we are having the similar kind of plant life. In this 25-year life, only you need to replace the battery. Battery self life is around 7 years. Rest the battery, everything we design for the next 25 years.
ओके सर, लेट्स स्पोक अबाउट लाइक मार्केट में अगर हम देखें और भी आपके ये ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं जो एक सोलर प्लेट को सोलर सिस्टम को पूरा कंट्रोल करते हैं, सपोर्ट देते हैं। तो व्हाट इज़ द डिफरेंस एंड एडवांटेजेस देन अदर प्रोडक्ट्स?
Okay, so as you know, India is a huge market, and considering the huge market, there are many suppliers available in India. Not only domestic suppliers, there are many international suppliers as well. And if we talk about the tier 1 suppliers only, because we are the tier 1 suppliers, so we only wanted to compare, we only wanted to discuss the tier 1 supplier. So all other tier 1 suppliers are still using with the single fixed point.
Okay.
And due to single fixed point, their critical wind speed is much lesser than ours. Our critical wind speed is 22 meter per second. That means we can track the sun still when your wind speed is 22 meter per second.
Okay.
So in that case, we can track sun more time which generate more energy.
Okay.
Other key features which we have,
Yes.
we are the oldest company in India. First project we have signed in 2014. From 2014 onward, we are continuously providing the support to the clients, as well as we are signing the new orders. Because of the long term of the company, we can say कि we are the long reliable partner.
ओके। सो एक ट्रस्ट वाली बात आपकी कंपनी प्रोवाइड करा रही है। ओके, दैट्स वेरी गुड। ओके, बात करते हैं इफ़ दिस प्रोडक्ट इज़ अवेलेबल फॉर B2B और B2C ऑल्सो।
So this product is only for the B2B customer, because generally solar, we are providing this solar tracker for the developer.
Okay.
And developer is going to produce the energy, and that they are going to sell to the end users.
Okay.
So our product is only for B2B. Currently we are not working for the B2C.
Okay. So if we talk about like for end user perspective, like what could be the approximate cost of this particular project?
So this cost is coming around 60 lakh rupees per megawatt peak. This is very general number, considering the standard wind speed of 47 meter per second and other standard parameters. This cost again get vary, maybe increase or decrease according to the actual project conditions.
Okay. So thank you, sir. You have provided a lot more informative, guidelines and perspective for this, product. थैंक यू
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye.